I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this 4-piece electronic cupping kit. You heard me right. This is an electric cupping kit. And for all of y'all, if you're curious what cupping is, it's like a Chinese therapeutical for like muscle pains, aches and pains and things like that to kind of help alleviate that. And this is from the company Europask. How about that? You know what? There's not much on the box here, but I've already had these out and used them. I use these two right here just to kind of like show you how these things work. But let me show you everything you get with this package here. They came packaged just like this, very nicely packaged, and they look very premium. These things do not look cheap at all. We won't need any of this stuff right here. But here's all 4 of them. You get 4 different USB-C charging cables, and that was pretty much it. Now, right here is going to be the owner's manual, and there's a few things with these things. I'm just going to kind of like show you guys real quick how this works. So these actually have a warming feature and a red feature built into them. Let me turn this one on right here. They all should be charged. By the way, they come in at 20 minutes. You see right there? And watch how it works. Let me just kind of like show you how one works by putting it on my hand right here. It is officially cupping my hand. And there's the warming feature. See that? I've got it on warming feature. That's going to last for 20 minutes. Look at the amount of power and suctions out of that. Can you guys see that? That's getting a little tight on my hand. To get it off, just hit that button real quick. Look how it already started doing that. If you want to change the filter on these things, you can change the filter right there, or clean it, or do whatever. So that just kind of screws on and off. And if I show you this one, the rest of them are just like it. Let me go ahead and show you this thing in action on my leg, and then I'll put it on my shoulder, then I'll put it on my back, and show different areas. I already let it run on my shoulder for a little while, and I'll show you kind of the after effects of that. It does leave like a mark, just so you know, but all cupping does this. The whole concept of cupping is to pull blood flow into an area to help promote healing on that area. I use it on my back, I used it on my leg, and I was very impressed with how well this works. This is something I recommend for anyone, whether you're like me, where you do a lot of outdoor sports, or anyone that just has any type of soreness and they just want to try something different. This stuff works, everybody. I'm very impressed with it. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the electronic cupping set. See you on the next video.